Hey family, how are y'all doing? So this morning I will be having a bacon, not a bacon. Take that back. A sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Yes, and guess what? I woke up like this. Hey, I woke up like this. Hey. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and dig in. I mean, I like any type of biscuit. Breakfast biscuits. Throw it at me. Give it to me. Throw it at me. Give it to me. So I'm about to set my Grace family and I'm about to go ahead and get into it. Amen. Got me some cold water. I put some different sausages on here this time. Look. Ooh, I like them nice and burnt. Burnt. I'm always making a beat, a rap, a song out of some. Mmm. I'm happy this morning. Every morning. God woke me up to see another day. Thank you, Lord. Mmm. I tried it with the link sausage instead of the circle sausage. And it's good. I ain't gonna lie to you. Mm-hmm. I didn't know these biscuits was gonna be this small though. I thought it was a big one. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. I was gonna fix me some cream of wheat. I would have been full. Cause that cream of wheat, oh, you will be knocked out. That cream of wheat ain't nothing to play with. That's that good old back in the day meal. Hmm. What y'all know about it? Was y'all raised up on cream of wheat? Cause I know I was, and it was good, and I'm still eating it to this day. Mm-hmm. It's nice outside. I think it's supposed to be like 73, 74 today. So it's supposed to feel good. Mm-hmm. Excuse me. It's so quiet. It's so peaceful. This how it's supposed to be. Just right there. Peaceful. Mm. Whew. I love y'all, family. Have a blessed day.